Another high-flying lift, on a smaller scale perhaps, and in a more conventional setting, the Swiss Alps, introduces us to the biggest model railway in the world, and at the same time a train tour of the world. Because this fabulous layout, exhibited at the Winter Garden Eastbourne, does represent the railway systems of half a dozen countries. The control panel, operated by Mrs. Gladys Palmer, the only woman in the world doing this type of job, has 300 switches. And bearing in mind she has to look after more than half a mile of track, equivalent to 40 miles on a full-scale track, you can see she's got her work cut out. In fact, only one person knows more about it, and that's Bertram Otto, who spent 3 years designing and building the layouts and models. Model trains at Eastbourne Station represent England's contribution to this miniature railway world, measuring 90 feet by 29 feet. Every aspect is accurate to the minutest detail, and the cost in rolling stock and materials alone was £3,000. Needless to say, if you were to include the cost of Mr. Otto's labour over 3 years, it'd be considerably more. This, incidentally, is an old German town. For those interested in offbeat statistics, it takes 5 lorries to move the exhibition. There are 100 different locomotives and 36,000 of wiring. In one corner, there's even a miniature fairground complete with merry-go-rounds, sideshows, flying saucers. Eh? Well, these flying saucers have nothing to do with anything as frivolous as a fairground. They're part, complete with launching tubes, of another brilliant model layout by Bertram Otto called his City of the Future. The city is built on 4 levels. At sea level, a shuttle service of auto trains feed the spaceships at one end and an atom plant at the other. The trains also serve warehouses below the shops so that there are no traffic blocks through unloading. First level is for private cars, second for pedestrians, and top, the auto monorail for taking people to the theatre. It's laid out in coloured sections so that residents know where to land their helicopters, while in the cafes, machines measure the calories needed by each customer. A city of no rain and no dust. The dream world of tomorrow.